Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker, and I'm here with an update on the Pickering Nuclear Power Plant. So basically, it was January 23rd, 2025 that it was decided that they are going to be investing $2.1 billion initially in refurbing Pickering B, which is units 5 to 8, at a cost of $2.1 billion initially and a total cost of $4.1 billion, which is going to help extend the life of these units by another 30 years. This is to be completed by the middle of the 2030s, and it will generate enough power to power up 2 million homes. And just to kind of put that a little bit more into a numbers perspective, that's about $19.4 billion contributed to Ontario's GDP, and they're going to be allocating $100 million to Indigenous companies from that money as well. Just a quick little recap on the nuclear plant, because there's been so many things that have been kind of happening with it. The Pickering Nuclear Power Plant started their construction in 1965, and in 1971 it was actually completed. From there they had Station A, which was Unit 1 and 4. Since then there's been a bunch of kind of back and forths that have happened with it, such as Pickering A, Unit 1 to 4, Units 2 and 3 were permanently shut down in 1997, and then Units 1 and 4, they were refurbished and restarted in 2005 and 2003, and they were actually just shut down September and December of 2024. So that's completely gone. So as of right now, Station A is completely closed down, and we've got Station B, which is Units 5 to 8 that are in operation right now. With this refurbishment that is going to be happening, I got some numbers over here. So basically they're saying initially that we're going to see 2,400 jobs come on, and then we're going to see 11,000 jobs per year over the next 11 years that are going to come in. Obviously guys, this is going to have an impact on our real estate. There are going to be special workers that are going to come in probably from around the world. So this nuclear technology is not something that everyone is really familiar with. So there are certain parts of the world where there's nuclear energy that's been used more and for a longer period of time. So I wouldn't be surprised if we have people from other parts of the world actually relocating over here. I remember that we had actually a couple of workers that came in for a nuclear power plant from Germany, from Japan, that we've actually had placed in rental homes over here corporately. So we are going to probably see an influx of that, and likely that's going to have some impact on our economy. While we have new people coming in, it's going to boost probably the rental prices, the prices overall for homes, and we'll probably see a bit of an economic boom in our industries that we offer here in Pickering as well. With regards to nuclear power, it has been talked about so much about shutting it down. I think there's more and more research right now that it is a pretty clean way. Of course, there is risks associated with it. Since the time that the nuclear power plant has been operating in Pickering, as far as we know, or they're telling us, there hasn't actually been any accidents, any big concerns that would prevent us from kind of moving this energy forward. It is a huge contributor to the overall GDP as well. So in my opinion, I think this is probably going to be a good thing. Obviously, safety is number one. They were going to have to keep up with the safety standards. And a lot of times I get a concern that says, hey, I don't want to move to Pickering because the nuclear power plant is there. Well, guys, I've been saying this for a while. Just because, you're going to be living in Whitby instead of Pickering doesn't mean that's not going to affect you. I think if you're in Pickering, you might be lucky. You might just be gone right away versus glowing green in Whitby. Let me know what you guys think about the extension of this or refurbishment of this nuclear power plant. What do you guys think about the economics? Do you guys think that this is going to have an impact on the city of Pickering? Do you think this is going to impact the housing? Do you think we'll see more activity in the economy? Just generally, what do you guys think about nuclear power? Leave your comments below. Please like this, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.
Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold.